Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the black and white effect to the background only in CapCut PC. So you can select your photo or video you like to edit, and for example I'm going to select the photo to the right and go to filters, select BW and just for the duration in the same lane with the filter, and select the clips, right click and select create content clip, go to media and add the same photo, put on top another clip, so which is uh, its overlay. Go to cutout, select go to cutout or remove the background. Here we go. So this is how you can make a black and white on the background only using CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.